Iron tools and growth of farming. Iron is so much a part of our life that we can hardly think of doing without objects made of this metal. But do you know that our predecessors learnt about this metal only in the 8th or 9th century BCE? That was almost a millennium after the highly advanced Indus Valley civilization had declined. The use of iron implements in agriculture in this period greatly increased agricultural production. It became possible to cultivate larger tracts of land and produce more from the same piece of land. With the help of iron axe, clearing of forests became easy. Iron plowshare made it possible to increase the productivity of hard soil. Thus, there was an extension in agricultural activity both in the north and south. Natural vegetation. There are different types of vegetation in our country depending on the amount of rainfall in each area. You have studied the diverse relief or physical features and the climate of India. Such a varied environment will surely have diverse vegetation and wildlife too. Let's find out. At present, about 21% of the total area of our country is under forests. Actually, it should be a minimum of 1/3 of the total area under forests. The natural vegetation of India can be classified into 5 major divisions: the tropical rainforests, the tropical deciduous forests, the thorny bushes, the tidal forests, the Himalayan forests, the tropical rainforests. These are found in hot and humid areas that receive heavy rainfall. The annual rainfall is more than 200 centimeters and well distributed. They always appear green and are also called evergreen forests. These evergreen and semi-evergreen forests are found on the rainy slopes of the Western Ghats, the hills of Assam and Meghalaya, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and in some parts of West Bengal and Odisha. These forests are full of hardwood trees such as ebony, mahogany, and rosewood. There is dense and thick undergrowth in these forests as the sunlight hardly reaches the floor of the forests. The tropical deciduous forests. These forests are also called the monsoon forests. These are mostly found in those areas where the average annual rainfall ranges from 100 cm to 200 cm. Such areas extend from the Shivalik ranges in the north to the eastern side of the Western Ghats in the south. These areas have a long dry season when most of the trees shed their leaves at the same time. Thus, the forests always have some bare trees and some green ones. Teak and sal are the most important and valuable trees in these forests. Other common trees are shisham, mahua, sandalwood, rosewood, ebony, and bamboo. These forests are of great economic value. The thorny bushes. These are mostly found in areas where the average annual rainfall is less than 80 centimeters. The trees in such areas are widely scattered with bushes and shrubs in between. Babool and kikar are the main trees. Wild palms are common in wetter areas. Even the small trees have deep roots, thick skins, and long thorns. In areas of scanty rainfall, these forests generally have an undergrowth of scrubs and thorny bushes. Thorn forests are mainly found in the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, and in drier parts of the Deccan Plateau. The tidal forests. The tidal forests are found in those areas that are flooded by the high tides of the sea. They have mangrove trees which can survive in both fresh and salt water. The lower delta of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers, called the Sundarbans, is full of sundari trees, which are a good example of mangrove trees. Due to the durability of the sundari tree wood, it is widely used for making boats. The Himalayan forests. The Himalayan forests are distributed according to the altitude. In the mountains, the temperature decreases with the increase in altitude. The vegetation varies from tropical to alpine types. The Shivaliks, or the foothills of the Himalayas, are covered with tropical deciduous forests, and sal is the most important tree. This is followed by subtropical hill vegetation, in which evergreen oaks, chestnut, and pine trees are found. In a still higher altitude between 1,500 meters to 3,300 meters, there is a belt of coniferous forests, in which pines, cedars, silver fir, deodar, and spruce are the main varieties of trees. Thereafter, at 3,500 meters and above, shrubs and grasses of the alpine variety are found, the common examples of which are juniper, birch, willow, and rhododendrons. Beyond the alpine belt is the area of permanent snow. Importance of forests. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. A large forest cover is therefore very important for maintaining an ecological balance. The roots of trees bind the soil. This prevents soil erosion, removal of soil by water and wind. Forests give us many useful things including wood, fruits, oils, dyes, gums, medicines, etc. Resin, used in making varnish, is a sticky substance obtained from some trees, especially pine. Lac is a dark red, sticky substance secreted by an insect that lives on trees like the palash and kusum. It is used for making dyes, bangles, and sealing wax. Forests are also home to large and diverse wildlife. Preservation and maintenance of forests. Forest research institutes have been set up at Dehradun in Uttarakhand and Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. There is a proper government policy for protection, preservation, and development of forests. The government has put certain controls on export of forest products and made sandalwood oil a restricted item of export. Social forestry programs like Van Mahotsav, which involve planting thousands of trees along roads, railway lines, and hill slopes, help in increasing the green cover in the country. Wildlife in India. India is a vast country. It has great diversity of physical and climatic conditions which contribute towards a great diversity in wildlife. The elephant, tiger, leopard, one-horned rhinoceros, Indian bison, sloth bear, hyena, mongoose, wolf, jackal, fox, porcupine, wild sheep, wild goat, as well as several species of deer, antelope, and monkeys are some of the wide range of animals found in India. There are about 89,000 animal species found on land and water, including 2,500 species of fish exclusive to India. About 1,200 species of birds are found in Indian forests, including parrots, kingfisher, and the peacock. Other than the national bird peacock, there are ducks, pigeons, parrots, geese, maynas, pheasants, etc. among the wide variety of birds in India. India also has a variety of reptiles including snakes, crocodiles, and turtles. Many species of birds migrate to India from cold countries during winter. Among them are various types of ducks and Siberian cranes.